Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking a reputable VPN that supports desktop or mobile Discord use. Choose AES 256 encryption and no logs to protect privacy. Once chosen, install the app and sign in. Make sure to enable DNS leak protection and the kill switch so Discord won't leak your real IP if the connection drops. After installation, open the VPN and select a nearby server for lower latency. This minimizes lag while still masking your location. Once connected to a VPN server, you configure both the VPN and Discord so everything runs smoothly. Choose a server near you for lower ping or a country that allows the content you need. Then pick a fast protocol like WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN/TCP if you need stability. In Discord, confirm the voice server region if manual, set your input/output devices, and enable low latency or automatic voice settings. This reduces call drops and keeps audio clear. To finish, run a test voice call and check ping and audio quality. Watch CPU and bandwidth because VPNs add overhead. If you encounter high latency or dropped calls, switch to a different server, try another protocol, or temporarily disable the kill switch to diagnose connectivity, then re-enable it. Make sure no proxy or conflicting browser extensions are active because they can break routing. If problems persist, restart the VPN and Discord and reconnect. This resolves most state or DNS issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.